Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your text message was delivered or not. You can turn on read receipts on your Android phone. If we go to messages right here and we back out and go to the little profile and just go this. Now under here we have the option to go to message settings and we have RCS chats. If we go with this on the top, we can turn on RCS chats, and then we have the option to send read receipts, let other knows you've read their message. So you have it right there. Show typing indicators, automatically resend as text. So switch from RCS chat if the message chat can't be delivered. You can try to turn this on too. But just look at this RCS chat and turn on read receipts right there. And then we have other options under here as well that we can look at. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.